A wounded 37-year-old man who sought refuge with a couple living on Sauvie Island after being shot told authorities he believes he was shot over a $400 debt, court documents show. Nathan Packard identified the shooter as an acquaintance he knew nicknamed Oxygen, and claimed the man was angry because Packard owed him money, according to a probable cause affidavit. Packard told investigators that on Tuesday, Oxygen drove him through East Portland, toward the Oregon Zoo, around Forest Park and St. John's, then stopped on Sauvie Island. Packard claimed the man, later identified as 28-year-old Brett Andre, forced him out of the car at gunpoint and may have shot him accidentally while pistol whipping him with a revolver, the affidavit said. Packard sustained a gunshot wound that shattered his shoulder blade and also suffered a fractured rib. He told Multnomah County Sheriff's detectives that he was robbed of his laptop, wallet and cell phone, the affidavit said. Andre was arrested on Wednesday. He told investigators Packard actually owed him $800, but denied shooting him, the affidavit said. A detective found Packard's laptop in Andre's backpack, as well as 5.38 caliber bullets and one bullet casing, according to the court papers. Andre remains held at the Multnomah County Detention Center accused of attempted murder, first- and second-degree assault, first-degree robbery and felon in possession of a firearm. A pastor at Sauvie Island Community Church told the Oregonian/Oregon Live that Packard pounded on the door of his home near the church Monday night and begged he and his wife for help while covered in blood. The couple called 911 and tended to Packard until police arrived. According to the affidavit, a woman who had been in the car with Packard and Andre told investigators that the two men were involved in a credit card fraud ring and had a falling out over money. She said as the three of them and another woman were heading to Sauvie Island, Andre was driving erratically and kept reaching under the front seat. She said she asked Andre to let her out and he dropped her off at a gas station. The woman also told investigators that Andre was staying at the States Motel in Northeast Portland, the affidavit said. Investigators learned Andre was in a wooded area near the hotel, brought in a patrol dog and later found him in the woods, the court papers aid. The second woman who was in the car with Packard and Andre told investigators that she didn't hear anything when the two men got out while on Sauvie Island, the affidavit said. She said she was listening to music and estimated the pair was gone for 2 songs before Andre came back to the car alone and they drove away. Everton Bailey Jr. A Bailey at Oregonian.com 503-221-8343, at Everton Bailey.